Hi everyone, let's learn Apple Watch Series 10 how to restart and turn off in several ways. If we talk about the ways, then there are two ways to do so. First, if we talk about first one, let's first unlock it, and then as you can see under the crown there is another black button. You just need to press and hold it for 2 seconds, and you can see here emergency SOS, compare, backtrack, or here is at the top right corner there is a power button. Simply click onto that and power off. This is how you can very easily turn off, and now by just pressing holding this crown button you can again turn it back on and you can very easily restart it. Let's wait for the Apple logo. It will take 10 to 15 seconds to get on so that you can use it back again. Let's wait for it. You just need to be patient for all these kind of works so that you can very easily do so and you can start using this watch. Okay, let's be more patient. Okay, there's nothing working. So it means this crown button, with this crown button, you can't do anything. You can only see a time here without like its other functions as well. So let's press and hold this control button. Let's see. Okay. So with this control button only, you can turn it off, and with this control button only, you can turn it back on. Let's wait for it to get turned on so that I can show you the another or the second way how you can like shut down it, how you can turn it off, or how you can restart it. Let's wait for it to get turned on. Okay, so as you can see, it has been turned on. Now, if we talk about the second way, for that you just need to swipe up and go to the settings. As you can see here, click on settings. Again, slide down and click on General. When you came to this, you need to go to the bottom of this page, and here you can see the option that actually says Shutdown. Click onto that, and then again click this button. It will again take you the same interface. So this is the second way to do so. So I hope this is going to be informative and you will actually get the idea how to do so and how to shut down, how to restart. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you and may you all have a great day.